If you are looking for a laptop below 40,000, then this video is for you. Welcome to MOAR. Today we will be seeing the unboxing and review of the all-new HP 14S Cf3074Tu.
Here we go!
The HP 14S 3074Tu is a very good laptop under 40,000 for multitasking, personal use, blogging, etc. This is a brand new laptop. It was launched on 17th of August 2020. It comes with really amazing specifications. HP 14S Cf3074Tu is one of the best budget laptops in my opinion. Because at this price point you usually won't get a laptop with a dedicated graphics card. In this laptop, you can also find a powerful processor, speed, performance, good battery life, and a HD display. We will talk about each of these in detail. First, let's do the unboxing. The box is obviously made from cardboard. Opening the box, we have the charger, the laptop itself, and an instruction manual and warranty. The laptop is kept inside a cover and is protected by perfectly shaped molds. The laptop has a really nice texture on it. Next up, we have the charger. It is a 65-watt charger and is very heavy. But it really does charge fast.